Okay, we've got a Ford camper in today, X-Reg. The front headlights, as you can see, are completely misted. So obviously it would cause a couple of things. It causes it to foul on the MOT, and obviously if you're driving around at night you ain't going to be able to see where you're going. On this side here, the customer's son has tried to use a Dremel. Watched Shank on YouTube and he's tried to do it on the lights, but as you can see there, obviously it's burnt into the light in certain places, especially down here as well, so it looks like there's big chunks taken out of it. This one's going to be a bit of a problem, so we have to do this one by hand, but hopefully we can get all of that off. Okay, so that is the Ford camper van headlights been restored. So as you can see, we've cut them back 6 times. So they look lovely and shiny, completely changed the car. They've also had a coat of Matrix Blue, sorry, and that is a 3-year protection coat. So I believe the customer's going to be able to see where he's going now. Amazing.